आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. The question states, if a and b are integers and -4 is less than equal to a, which is less than equal to 3, and -4 is less than equal to b, less than equal to 5, what is the maximum possible value of a, b or a into b? Now, this looks like a fairly simple question, but there's a catch in this question. So let us first look at the constraints of a and b. So here I can say -4 is less than equal to a is less than equal to 3. And for b I can say that -4 is less than equal to b and less than equal to 5. And the question says what is the maximum possible value of a into b. So I need to find the largest value of a into b. Now you will say that here we have a. So if you have to find the maximum value of a into b, I'm going to multiply the maximum possible value of a to the maximum possible value of b to obtain the maximum possible value of a into b. So that will be maximum possible value of a is 3. So we will be getting 3 into maximum possible value of b, 5, which is equals to 15. So this is the maximum possible value, right? If you multiply the maximum value of a and b as well. Now, we are missing one case if we obtain 15 as the answer in this particular question. What is that? We also know that negative into negative is equal to positive, right? So if we have to obtain a positive value, we can multiply negative and negative together. So we have already checked for positive into positive is equals to positive, which was this case. So largest positive values, and we obtained the positive value, which is the largest positive value in 15. But let us check for this negative and negative. So what is the maximum possible negative value? So for this case, what is the maximum possible negative value for a? -4. So -4 multiplied by maximum possible negative value of b is again -4. So -4 into -4. And -4 into -4. So these, since there are two minus signs, they are going to get cancelled out, and 4 into 4 is 16. So is equals to plus 16, right? And if you are going to compare, then 15 is obviously less than 16. 16 is the largest value. So I can say that 15 is not the maximum value. Rather, 16 is the maximum value. Right? So from negative into negative, the maximum value that I obtained is 16. And from positive into positive, the maximum which I obtained was 15. Right? So if you check for only this case and tick an answer, then obviously there is going to be an option which matches this 15 also in the question, because the question is always made in such a way that you make mistakes. And we also need to check for the negative values also. So whenever there is a negative domain for the values of a and b, and we are asked to find out the maximum value of a into b, we must check for positive as well as negative maximum that we can obtain. So the correct answer for this particular question is 16. So answer is equal to 16 for this particular question, which is the maximum value for a into b when the range of a is from -4 to 3 and for b is -4 to 5. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।